AI isn't coming for jobs. It's already here. And the scary part is most people don't even realize it yet. This isn't happening all at once. It's happening quietly in the background, one job at a time. This isn't just factory work. This isn't just manual labor. This time, it's white-collar jobs. For decades, people believed that a degree and a knowledge job meant safety. But now AI can write code. AI can create content. AI can answer customer questions. AI can analyze data. Tasks that used to take hours now take seconds. Companies are noticing. They realize they don't need as many people to do the same work. They don't always fire people immediately, but they stop hiring. They shrink teams slowly and automate quietly. From the outside, everything looks normal. But underneath, the system is changing. So here's the real question: what happens when this scales? Imagine a company that used to need 100 employees, now only needs 60. That company becomes more efficient and more profitable, but 40 jobs disappear. Multiply that across tech, marketing, finance, and customer support, and it becomes structural. It's not just low-skill jobs. It's junior developers, content writers, analysts, and even designers. People who thought they were safe are starting to feel pressure. This leads to something much bigger. We are entering a world where productivity goes up, but employment doesn't follow. In the past, machines replaced jobs, but new jobs were created. This time, AI replaces both physical work and mental work. So where do people go? By 2030, smaller teams could run massive companies with AI doing most repetitive tasks. Fewer entry-level opportunities could leave millions competing for traditional jobs, not because they are lazy or unskilled, but because the system does not need them the same way. This connects to ideas like Alaska's dividend Norway's fund and universal basic income. If people aren't earning through jobs, they still need income. If AI and machines are producing wealth, that wealth has to go somewhere. Right now, most of that wealth goes to companies and shareholders. There is a growing argument that it should also go to the people. This could go two ways with the same technology producing different outcomes. Worst case is massive inequality, fewer opportunities, and an unstable economy. Best case is less work, more freedom, and a higher quality of life. Same technology, completely different outcomes. The real question isn't, will AI replace jobs? It already is. The real question is, what kind of system do we build next?